What's up, YouTube? Merry Christmas! It's Thursday and it's Christmas Eve today. So I decided to stop by in a gasoline station here in Bay Boulevard, Eustis, Florida. So now I bought one ticket of Florida Lottery scratch off ticket. So I bought this one 200 times the cash, and the ticket number are 08 number 8, and I already scratched all the numbers except that the winning numbers. So now I got here 5 times. Here we go, 5 times for $40. So it's a lucky day for me. It's $200. So now I'm still looking for a match because the winning numbers is still not scratched yet. So now we're going to scratch the winning numbers. It might we can find a match here. Okay, let's do it. First number 31. Do we have number 31 here? Okay, we got here 41, but there's no 31. Alright, let's continue. Okay guys, so next winning numbers are 22. We got 23, one off. Okay, continue. 24. Do we have number 24? Nope, there's no 24. Alright, how about 56? Do we have number 56 here? We got 55 and 57. That's sandwich. 56. There's no 56. Okay, we got 4 more winning numbers. Alright, here we go. Number 32. 32. 32, 32. There's no 32. Okay, let's continue. We got 3 more. Number 14. 14, we got 13, one off. Alright, 2 more numbers. How about 61? Do we have 61 here? We got 62 again, one off, another one off. Alright, last one, 21. Do we have number 21? 21. Okay, we don't find much, but we got this one. We got this 5 times for $40. Alright, this is it. I think this is a good price for me. Good win for me. And thank you very much for watching. This is Chef Jojo once again from Eustis, Florida. And I'm gonna give you a shout out to everyone. And if you like this video of mine, you can share it to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. To those who don't subscribe yet my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Make a comment and share it to your friend. This is Ship Jojo once again from Eustis, Florida. Thank you and have a good Christmas. Thank you. Bye-bye.